Are you a busy person trying to balance work, family, and a healthy lifestyle? Do you often find yourself resorting to takeout and unhealthy fast food options because you just don't have the time to cook a healthy meal? Well, fear not. We have got you covered with our 5 easy healthy recipes for busy people. With these quick and easy recipes, you can have a delicious and nutritious meal on the table in no time, without sacrificing your health or precious time. Recipe number 1 being prepared. First up, we have a mouth-watering recipe for a quinoa and vegetable stir-fry. This dish is loaded with protein and veggies, and it's perfect for meal prep. It takes just 20 minutes to make and can be stored in the fridge for up to 5 days. To make this recipe, start by cooking your quinoa in a pot of boiling water, then drain and set aside. Next, heat some oil in a pan and add your chopped vegetables, such as bell peppers, mushrooms, and onions. Cook until they are tender, then add your cooked quinoa and mix everything together. Season with salt and pepper, and you're done. Recipe number 2 being prepared. Next, we have a delicious recipe for a chicken and avocado salad. This recipe is perfect for those hot summer days when you want something light and refreshing. The creamy avocado pairs perfectly with the juicy chicken, and the whole dish can be made in under 15 minutes. To make this recipe, start by grilling or sautéing your chicken until it's cooked through. Then, chop up some fresh lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and cucumber, and add them to a bowl. Slice your avocado and add it to the bowl, along with your cooked chicken. Drizzle some olive oil and lemon juice on top, and you're done. Recipe number 3 being prepared. Our third recipe is a classic favorite, a hearty and healthy turkey chili. This recipe is packed with protein and fiber and is perfect for those chilly evenings when you want something warm and comforting. It takes just 30 minutes to make and can be stored in the freezer for up to 3 months. To make this recipe, start by cooking your ground turkey in a large pot. Add some chopped onion, bell pepper, and garlic to the pot, and cook until they are tender. Then, add your canned tomatoes, black beans, and spices, and let everything simmer for 20 minutes. Serve with some shredded cheese and a dollop of sour cream, and you're done. Recipe number 4 being prepared. For all the pasta lovers out there, we have a recipe for a zucchini noodle and shrimp pasta. This recipe is low in carbs and high in protein and fiber, making it the perfect alternative to traditional pasta dishes. It takes just 25 minutes to make and is a surefire way to impress your guests. To make this recipe, start by using a spiralizer to create zucchini noodles. Heat some oil in a pan and add your shrimp, along with some garlic and red pepper flakes. Cook until the shrimp is pink and then add your zucchini noodles to the pan. Toss everything together until the noodles are cooked, then serve with some grated par cheese and chopped parsley for a burst of flavor. Recipe number 5 being prepared. Finally, we have a recipe for a delicious and healthy smoothie bowl. This recipe is perfect for breakfast or as a refreshing midday snack. It takes just 5 minutes to make and is loaded with fruits and nutrients. To make this recipe, start by blending frozen bananas, berries, and your favorite non-dairy milk in a blender until smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl and add your favorite toppings, such as granola, sliced fruit, and chia seeds. And there you have it, 5 easy healthy recipes for busy people. With these recipes, you can save time and still enjoy delicious and nutritious meals. So, say goodbye to takeout and hello to a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipe ideas.